Hi, I'm Mike Anderson, owner of Anderson Auto Group. Are you currently an auto technician or looking at becoming one? We are now hiring qualified techs and those interested in becoming techs. Working for Anderson Auto Group is a great way to further your career and has some clear advantages. We have multiple locations, so we are always busy with consistent traffic, which also means consistent opportunity and pay. We also have internal training programs to help you learn and grow. Plus, if you're interested in a technical school, we have programs to assist with tuition. When you work for Anderson Auto Group, you'll work alongside and learn from experts who possess decades of experience. We also provide you with the latest specialty tools. If you need tools, we have programs to help you buy them. At Anderson Auto Group, we focus on a family atmosphere with opportunities for internal growth and promotion. We're not looking for just employees, we're looking for elite members to join an elite team. Come experience better at Anderson Auto Group, a better place to be an auto technician. Apply online today.